So here I am in beautiful Chiang Mai, Thailand, standing on my balcony, and behind me is a wonderful view that I get to enjoy every day. But actually, if I want to be totally truthful, I'm not exactly standing on my balcony. I'm standing about 10 feet away from it, and I'm in front of my green screen. Now I want to tell you about that green screen. This is a really high-tech device, and I'm proud to say I made it myself. Let me tell you how I did that. First, I went to the local, it's called Home Pro, basically the same as Home Depot. I imagine the Americans copied it from the Thais, and it looks like a Home Depot. So I went to the PVC department, got myself a bunch of PVC pipe and elbows and whatever little thingies you need. Then I went to the paint department, got myself some glue and packed it up. No, not in my car. I put it on my motorbike because, like most people here, I get around on a motorbike. So I strapped it on there, went home, got back on my balcony and started cutting it, assembling it and gluing it and putting it all together. So that was quite a job, but when it was done, it looked almost professional. That's how it looks like. Now, this is not a complete frame. There are a few connections still missing, but basically that's how it looks like. So next, I went to the local market and I got myself some green cloth. Brought it home and went about reinforcing the sides of it with duct tape. Again, very high tech. So after I put about 3 or 4 layers of duct tape on there, it was really solid. And then I used my trusty Swiss Army knife to punch a bunch of holes in it. And when I got done with my holes, I took out some string that I bought, about 30 yards of it, and I looped it through all those holes that I made and tied up the green screen so that it would fit snugly over my high-tech PVC frame. So when I was done with it, it looked pretty good. You can take a look how it looks from the back. And from the front, well, I'm sure you can't tell the difference between my green screen that cost me really just a few dollars and one that costs hundreds of dollars. So it's not as easy here in Thailand as it is in America. We can't just go and order something from Amazon and in a few days we get it shipped to our house, don't even have to pay for shipping. It doesn't work like that here in Thailand. So anyway, I made my high-tech green screen myself. I'm proud of it. It works fine. Just wanted to let you know how we get around certain restrictions here in Thailand.